Where did all of Mars' water go? Billions of years ago, Mars was home to lakes and oceans, but where all the water went to transform the planet into the desolate rock we know today has been something of a mystery. Most of it was thought to have been lost to space, but a new study funded by NASA proposes that it didn't go anywhere but is trapped within minerals in the crust. We're saying that the crust forms what we call hydrated minerals, so minerals that actually have water in their crystal structure. What is the Hubble Space Telescope? The Hubble Space Telescope is a large telescope in space. NASA launched Hubble in 1990. Hubble is as long as a large school bus. It weighs as much as 2 adult elephants. Hubble travels around Earth at about 5 miles per second. Hubble faces toward space. It takes pictures of planets, stars and galaxies. Hubble has seen stars being born. Hubble has seen stars die. It has seen galaxies that are trillions of miles away. Hubble also has seen comet pieces crash into the gases above Jupiter. Scientists have learned a lot about space from Hubble pictures. The pictures are beautiful to look at too. Will the coronavirus ever go away? No one knows for sure. Scientists think the virus that causes COVID-19 may be with us for decades or longer, but that doesn't mean it will keep posing the same threat. The virus emerged in late 2019 and it's difficult to predict how it will behave over the long term. But many experts believe it's likely the disease will eventually ease from a crisis to a nuisance like the common cold. That would happen as people build up immunity over time, either through infection or vaccination. Other viruses have followed a similar path. The 1918 flu pandemic could also offer clues about the course of COVID-19. Why Pluto is not a planet anymore? Pluto is not a planet anymore because it doesn't fit into the new definition of planets. There are many objects in space which move around in our solar system. These objects are precisely called as celestial objects. These celestial objects may or may not orbit our sun. These objects may be big or small. They may have different composition and structure. Based on their size, structure, shape, orbit, the path they travel, composition, what they are made up of, they are classified either as a planet, star, dwarf planet, satellite, comet or an asteroid. The designation of celestial object as a planet, comet or satellite is given by the International Astronomical Union, IAU. The International Astronomical Union consists of professional astronomers at international level who are responsible for classifying whether a celestial object is a planet or satellite or any other object. What are the compositions of blood? Blood is actually a tissue. It is thick because it is made up of a variety of cells, each having a different job. In fact, blood is about 80% water and 20% solid. Blood is made mostly of plasma, but 3 main types of blood cells circulate with the plasma. A. Platelets. B. Red blood cells. C. White blood cells. Blood also contains hormones, fats, carbohydrates, proteins, and gases. What is gasoline engine? Petrol engine or gasoline engine is an internal combustion engine with spark ignition, designed to run on petrol and similar volatile fuels. In most petrol engines, the fuel and air are usually pre-mixed before compression. What mammal has the largest eyes? The equine eye is the largest of all land mammals. Whales, seals and the ostrich are the only other animals that have larger eyes. Can you have a fire without oxygen? A fire cannot burn without oxygen. You can show this for yourself. In fact, if you light a small candle and then put a clear glass upside down over that candle, without touching the flame, you can watch the flame slowly extinguish as it uses up all of the oxygen that you have trapped around it with the glass. Why do birds fly south for the winter? Many birds fly south in the winter. Birds that eat nectar or insects will not be able to find food in areas that have cold winters. To find the food they need, birds will migrate. Migrating means leaving to find warmer areas. Birds that migrate usually leave at about the same time each year and fly back home at around the same time each spring. Why does Japan get so many earthquakes? Why Japan has so many earthquakes? Japan is located along the Pacific Ring of Fire, on the edges of several continental and oceanic tectonic plates. This is an area of high seismic and volcanic activity from New Zealand, up through Japan, across to Alaska, and down the west coasts of North and South America. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates from Rabbit Fox Insight.